Good day mga ka-CRT! Welcome again to our channel. This is Electronics Lecture Series, Season 2, BJT DC Analysis. For this episode 5, I'm going to discuss the collector feedback bias. This is Engineer Joshua B. Ancheta, a professional electronics engineer and an ECE college instructor/professor. I already uploaded the Season 1 of this electronics lecture series. Season 1 is about semiconductor and diode. Season 1 is uploaded in the year 2022. So that was 2 years ago. And these are the following episodes. So episode 1 is about introduction, episode 2, semiconductor theory, episode 3, the diode, episode 4, diode in DC circuit, episode 5, half-wave rectifier, episode 6, full-wave rectifier, episode 7, clippers, episode 8, clamper, episode 9, voltage multiplier, episode 10, Zener diode, and episode 11, special purpose diode. So you can visit this video lecture in our YouTube channel. Just look for the playlist Electronics Lecture Series Season 1. This is the circuit of a collector feedback bias. We will be using the common emitter configuration with NPN type BJT. Here in the circuit shown below, it has 3 resistances, RC, RF, but you can also call this RB, base resistance, and RE. The same number of transistor compared with the emitter biasing method. But the resistor in the base terminal or in the base side is now connected to the collector terminal. Unlike in the previous episode, the biasing method there, the resistance RB is connected directly to the power supply, the BCC. But again, for this collector feedback bias, this is the connection of the base resistance. Let's derive the equations. We will start with the BE loop. This is the portion or the side of the BE loop. So for BE loop, the equation is VCC minus ICRC minus IB RB. We will use RB in the representation of this resistor. Next, minus VBE and minus IE RE equal to 0. Next is for the CE loop. The equation is VCC minus ICRC minus BCE and minus IE RE equal to 0. Let us now solve this example. Determine the quiescent levels of ICQ and BCEQ. So we will begin again in the BE loop. So let's start the solution in this space. For the BE loop, so this is VCC 10 volts minus IC RC, then minus IB RB minus VBE, and that is 0.7, minus IERE, and equal to 0. So the required here is IC, but let us solve all the transistor current. So let us replace IC by its equivalent in terms of IB. So IC is beta IB. Then, do not change this IB because we are solving IB. For IE, let us replace this by beta plus 1 IB. So therefore, if you will evaluate the solution, you will arrive at IB equals 10 the BCC minus 0.7 all over beta times RC, then plus RB plus beta plus 1 times RE. Okay, so substitute the required values. So we have 10 minus 0.7 all over beta, that is 50, times RC, 4.7K, plus RB, 250K, plus beta plus 1, that is 51, times RE, 1.2 kilo ohms. So enter this in your calculator. And apply appropriate unit or notation. Use microamperes. And this is 17.0267 microampere. So this is IB. Then let us solve IC. This is equivalent also to ICQ. ICQ is beta times IB. So that is 50 times 17.0267 microampere. So direct the substitution in your calculator and let us solve IC or ICQ. And please apply appropriate unit. Usually IC and IE are in milliampere. Okay, so just solve the solution. So in my calculator, my answer is 0.8513 milliampere. So this is the ICQ. And for IE, we can use beta plus 1 IB. So beta is 50 plus 1, therefore 51. So multiply 51 to 17.0267 microampere. And you will arrive at 0.8684 milliampere. Okay, so we already have the 3 transistor current. Next, at CE loop, we will solve the BCEQ. For the equation at CE loop, this is 10 volts minus IC RC minus BCE minus IE RE equals 0. For the substitution, 10 minus IC 0.8513 milliampere times RC 4.7 kilo ohms minus BCE or BCEQ. So BCE and BCEQ are the same. Then minus IE, this is 0.8684 milliampere times RE 1.2 kilo ohms equals 0. Apply that to your calculator and solve for BCE. So the answer from our calculator is 1.9829 volts. So the answers for this example are now complete. This is the end of this video lecture, Season 2, Episode 5. Thank you for watching, and you can leave a comment. You can also share, like, and subscribe to this channel. See you in Season 2, Episode 6. Thank you and God bless you all.